Hello everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel, Rich and Lux. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that like button and the subscribe button. Also, if you could hit that notification bell so that we could do more unboxings as what we're gonna do today. A lot of you may already know about the Dior price increase, and I actually didn't know about that until after I purchased this item, but I'm glad that I purchased it before the price increase. So that was a good call for me, I guess, at that time. I got this like about 2 weeks ago, or yeah, I just didn't have time to film this. So now I wanted to share with you what I got, and also wanted to let you know how I saved money on this item. So without further ado, let me open it. So this is the box it came with, and it is from, I don't know if you've heard about this, it says here, open with joy. So I will let you know at the end of the video where this came from and how I snagged some discounts, and maybe as you have seen the title of this video, how I was able to save taxes on the item. Okay, so here it is, guys. Oops, I guess it peeked through. So it comes with this blue envelope here. I just marked my name there, and it says Madam, my last name, and then I actually haven't opened this, but this actually came from straight set from France. So this is just like the return information and the shipping label. So yeah, all these, documents right here. So I guess you probably already know where I got this, because this is what it says here, 24S. And it's nice that this packaging also is very luxe. Of course, I got the Dior card and the box. The only thing though with this one is it didn't come with the ribbon. So let me just open it up like so. It's a little hard to take out from the box. So there is that, and then just the docs for if you want to return it. But yeah, so let's see what I got in here. So you probably know what it is with the shape of the box here. Okay. Ta-da! I got the dust bag. It's really pretty with the gold stamping here. I don't know how you call that, but it's gold. So you probably know what it is because I got two dust bags, and of course I kind of opened this already, so just wanted to share it with you again. But yes, I got the Dway sandals, and it's the I believe this came out in the fall of last year with the tie-dye. And here's the other one. It is so pretty and gorgeous. So here you go. Nice, like that. It's size 38, and here it is, guys. Oh, it's the opposite. So how did I save on this one? So as you can see, the box was from 24S. I don't know if you've heard about this website. I heard it from Mel in Melbourne before, about one of her videos. She mentioned it. So there it is. And yeah, the size there, and the serial number, I believe. Okay, so yeah, so how did I save on this one? I actually saved on the taxes, and I didn't know that Dior is gonna have a price increase until maybe after 2 days that I got this. So this website actually saved me about, because this was I got this still at $6.90, I believe, or was it $6.30, the price before the increase, and I didn't pay for taxes since it's a purchase from Europe, I guess. So that's why I saved on taxes, because I only paid for the actual retail price on this one. And if you don't know, 24S is actually a subsidiary or a company by LVMH, which is also the same company that Louis Vuitton, Fendi, and Dior is under. So it is, I believe, a legit website because it is under LVMH also. And yeah, so this is what I got, and I didn't have to pay taxes because here in LA, taxes are almost 10%. So I would have paid an extra $70 about, if not for this website. So I didn't know that 24S also carry Louis Vuitton, Dior, and all those other fashion houses, but sometimes their items there are a little bit from like an off season, like previous season. So that's why people save money, I guess, from doing that. So yeah, so I was happy that I got this before the price increase, and a couple of days after I got this, because the price increase was last week, so it was about a week before the price increase then. So after, I think, a couple of days, 5 days or 3, I'm not sure, I went back to the website and this was already $730. And then when I went back last night, it said $750. So I don't know. But I'm just happy that I got it before the increase and I didn't have to pay taxes. So that's a very good deal. And I've always wanted these sandals. I've had this in my wish list vision board that I had. I had a video that I made about that vision board wish list, luxury wish list. So I'm happy that I get to mark off another item on that vision board. So yeah, I'm so happy. So I get to use this, it's springtime is coming, and it's time to bring out those sandals and flip-flops and whatnot. So yeah, so I guess I just wanted to share with you how I saved money by buying online, 24s.com. I just paid for the actual retail price on this one, which is about $690 before the price increase. So I also found a book tote, which is the blue velvet canage design. It was $31.50, which is the same as in the website prior to the increase, and they had it for that price for about, I think, 5 days even after the increase. So I was kind of like on the fence, do I get it, do I not get it, because I want to get a tote. But eventually I said, if this still the same price in a week, then I'll get it. But I checked a couple of days ago, it was already the same price as the Dior website. So they kind of waited about a week before they adjusted their pricing. So yeah, I'm just so happy that I got this. I'm gonna try it on and see. So yep, this is the Dway Slides. I don't know what to pronounce. Some people say Dway, some people say Dway. So yeah, so I'm just glad that I have this. And if you have any questions or what do you think about all these price increases, because a couple of days ago I saw the book tote now is $3,600, and if I would have bought it, I would have just paid $31.50. I would have saved about $400 from buying it off of the website on Dior or going to the store. But with this website, they don't charge you taxes, so it was supposed to be only $31.50. Then 5 days after, it also adjusted the price, which is now it's $3,600. I could have saved $400, but I chose not to get it because of some of the reviews about the book tote, but it is lovely. I like the velvet, the black and blue color, and it was one of that same pattern is actually in my 5 luxury dream bags, but only in the Lady Dior silhouette. So I was kind of like, oh, I want to get it, but then yeah, I was like on the fence and just ultimately decided to not get it. Then it increased, the price was adjusted in their website also. So yeah, check 24s.com. I will link it below so you have an idea. They have lots of good stuff there. As I've said, it's just a few seasons behind. So yeah, check it out. And if you like this video, you know, let's if you want unboxings, luxury hauls, and finding deals, how to, you know, save money buying luxury, then subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's explore the world of luxury and find out how to save and afford these nice things by, like, say, doing this other websites and other consignment stores. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe and comment below if you have any questions or any, you know, comments about all these fashion houses increasing their prices. And yeah, and what do you think about buying off season or like few seasons ago but saving money at the same time? So are you okay with that, or you're just like, oh no, I want the current season and get the most recent releases? But anyways, for me, I love saving money and getting good deals, so this is good. Thank you and have a good day.